Hello again, everybody. My name is Drew and I'm here with PM Music Center, and I'm going to talk to you about how to change the string on your violin, viola. We're going to start by identifying what string is broken. Now let's pretend the A string here is broken. Maybe it popped off on the bottom, or we tightened too much on the top and it just snapped. The first thing that we want to do is fully loosen the string. So if the A string is broken, I'm going to follow it to the top here and find that this top peg holds the A string. I will loosen it to the left, or down in this case, and you can see that the string slowly becomes undone. Loosen it all the way until the string pops off. Then, if the bottom is still attached, take the ball and slowly wiggle it to the other side, and it will pop right out. For today's demonstration, we'll be using a dominant string. These are the strings that are included in all of our rental violin and violas, and these will be the strings that we will replace for you for free if one of your rental strings breaks. They're very easy to put on and produce a wonderful tone, but we also have additional strings available for purchase for more advanced players. Brand new string here. You can see there are two sides to it. There's the colorful side with the ball, and then there is the purple side with no ball. The purple side always goes into the peg box at the top, and the side with the ball will always go towards the bottom. The easiest way for me is if you start to thread it using the top side. So it's going to look a little weird. It's going to flop around on the top here. But if we take the top here, and we want to find the same hole that the original thread threaded through, we simply guides through like so. And the important part is now to wind the string properly. Using the peg, grip tightly and twist inward and upward to tighten the string and make sure it stays in the peg box. You want to make sure that the string does not wind over itself. After 4 or 5 twists, I'm now going to attach the bottom side, and I'm going to thread through the bottom here, and again the ball hooks itself to the bottom, so now it is easier to adjust the string, and I'm going to continue to twist. Always make sure that the A string lines up with the notch that's in the bridge right here, and it lines up with the notch just outside the peg box at the top here. If it doesn't line up, when you tighten to tune the string, it will snap into place and could damage the instrument. Pluck the string and slowly bring the string into tune. New strings generally will loosen over time, so when you tune it all the way, if it's perfectly in tune, after a couple minutes it will loosen and then the string will be flat again. Just tighten it a little bit through the pegs or the fine tuners and you'll be good to go.